My name is Moiya and this is my kitchen. Hello everybody, welcome to Moiya's kitchen and we're gonna make chicken wings. Okay, we have the chicken here, so we're gonna put 5 things in. Salt, pepper, paprika, oil, garlic. I got my rubber gloves, so I will mix it. Now I put the chicken in the oven dish. Now we are going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes. So we got them out of the oven and we need your parents to get it out because it's so hot. And we're going to put it in the plate. Okay, so we get them out of the oven plate. So we have them here in the plate. It's nice if you put mayonnaise or ketchup, but I like mayonnaise the most, and I tried ketchup, but I don't like ketchup anymore. So bye bye, ciao ciao, lots of love.